The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 looks like it's going to be the best sketching tool around. Not only has it got a bigger screen than the Note 8, it also has a bigger battery as well. I did a speed sketch on it at the launch event today to take it for a test drive. While you're watching it, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Note 9 from a spec point of view. This thing has a 6.4-inch screen, 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity paired with that Wacom digitizer. The S Pen is cool also because it has Bluetooth integration. This doesn't affect the drawing experience necessarily, but what it does do is allow you to control your phone when you are away from it. So you can use it as a shutter release for the camera, you can skip slides in a presentation or go to the next picture in your gallery. Now, the phone is also super powerful, either 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM, either a Snapdragon 845 or an Exynos 9810, depending on the region that you're in. And you also have tons of storage, 128 gigabytes or 512, paired with up to 1 terabyte of expansion options via MicroSD card. In addition to that, you have a headphone jack, you have Dolby tuning for those speakers, and it's got a banging camera. The same setup is found on the Galaxy S9, two 12 megapixel sensors, one with variable aperture and one with a 2x zoom. This time round though, you have improved user interface elements, including smarter AI scene recognition. So that was a Note 9 and that was my speed sketch. I really hope you enjoyed it. Check back to techradar.com in the coming weeks for the full review and much more on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9.